At 9:47, on a perfectly ordinary Saturday morning, a woman in neon sneakers marched across my lawn holding a tape measure like a sword of justice. She introduced herself as Property Compliance Captain Beverly, which, judging by the badge clipped to her yoga pants, was not an actual law enforcement title. She declared that my mailbox was emotionally aggressive and violated the new Neighborhood Serenity Ordinance. That was the moment I realized my weekend project had turned into a suburban courtroom drama. My name is Ryan Holt, and I live on Maple Glen Court, a street so quiet you can hear guilt echo between the mailboxes. I bought my home 3 years ago, mostly because of the giant oak tree in the front yard and the promise that the community was self-regulated. Turns out, self-regulated means ruled by Beverly and her clipboard of doom. It started small. A note about my garbage bins being visible for exactly 9 minutes past collection time. I ignored it. Then came another for unapproved bird activity, which, as it turns out, referred to a family of robins that had the audacity to nest on my porch light. I paid the $25 fine just to keep the peace. Mistake number 1. By week 3, Beverly had measured my lawn twice, photographed my recycling habits, and posted a picture of my mailbox on the neighborhood app with the caption, "Examples of hostility in design." When I politely asked her to stop photographing my property, she smiled like a librarian discovering a banned book and said, "Transparency ensures harmony. Last Thursday, I came home to find a laminated document taped to my garage door titled, 'Notice of Emotional Disturbance in Aesthetic Presentation.' It accused me of displaying colors that evoke unrest. My crime. Painting my front door navy blue. That was when I decided to fight back. Politely, I started documenting everything. The photos, the notes, the passive-aggressive emails signed, "Warmly Beverly." I even recorded the time she stood in my driveway with a level, measuring the slope of my welcome mat for trip hazard potential. By Friday evening, she escalated. Beverly showed up with 2 members of what she called the peacekeeping task force. Both wore matching khaki shorts and Bluetooth earpieces. They brought a clipboard, a ladder, and, I swear this is true, a sound meter. "Sir," she said, "your wind chimes exceed the 42 decibel tranquility limit." I blinked. "You measured my wind chimes?" "Twice," she said proudly. "They're in violation of Section 9B, sonic calmness." That's when I knew. I wasn't dealing with an HOA. I was dealing with a cult of clipboards.